The next one is just recalling something which the Prime Minister announced immediately after the lockdown was made last year, providing the poor with the food grains. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Last year, the scheme was providing grains and some pulses between March to November. Just for the records, because the poor of India should not go without a meal even one day during this pandemic, was the objective with which the Prime Minister immediately announced this program. And therefore, just for the records, last year this scheme was for 1,33,972 crores. Again this year, because of the second wave and because of the intensity with which the wave hit us, the Prime Minister thought that this year too, this scheme will have to be extended. And again, therefore, in May, this scheme was relaunched. Even then it was clearly made as an announcement saying free food will be provided, food grains will be provided till November. This year, the estimated financial implication of the 5 kg food grains which are being, in addition to their PDS entitlements, being given this year, of 5 kgs of food grains, will have a financial implication of 93,869 crores. Again, just for the records, the total financial implication of last year and this year is 2,27,841 crores.
पिछले वर्ष आपदा के समय प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना की शुरुआत की थी कि इस महामारी और आपदा के समय कोई व्यक्ति भूख के कारण किसी की मृत्यु ना हो, अन्न की कमी ना हो। पिछले वर्ष भी 80 करोड़ लोगों को 8 महीने तक 5 किलो गेहूं, चावल, 1 किलो चना देने का काम किया। तो वहीं पर इस बार भी दूसरी लहर के बाद माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने ये निर्णय किया कि मई महीने से लेकर दिवाली तक, यानी कि नवंबर महीने तक इस साल देश के गरीबों को अन्न की ये योजना जारी रहेगी। और इसके माध्यम से जहां पिछले वर्ष 1,33,972 करोड़ रुपया इसके ऊपर खर्च आया था, इस बार भी इसमें गरीब लोगों को ये सुनिश्चित करने के लिए कि उनको अन्न की कमी ना हो, इस योजना को पुनः इसकी शुरुआत की गई है, जिससे ये सुनिश्चित किया जाएगा कि उनको अन्न देश के कोने कोने तक मिल सके। इसमें जो वित्तीय प्रभाव इस वर्ष का होगा वो लगभग 93,869 करोड़ होगा और कुल मिलाकर प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना का कुल खर्चा जो गरीबों को मुफ्त में अनाज देने का है वो 2,27,841 करोड़ रुपया होगा।
We now move to the announcement on health with a special focus and emphasis on children and pediatric care, pediatric beds being provided. We are now providing 23,220 crores more, only focusing, sharply focusing on, among other things, but primarily focusing on children and pediatric care. This 23,220 crores will be spent in this financial year itself. It will also focus on funding of HR augmentation so that medical students, interns, nurses can also be, brought into helping in such emergencies. ICU beds will be made available. Oxygen supply at the central, district and sub-district levels will be ensured. And also making sure that equipments and medicines, teleconsultations and ambulance services, all of that will be taken care of with a primary focus on children. So pediatric care is the emphasis here. Just to recall, last year 15,000 crore emergency health systems project was brought in, which ended as of March 2021. Through that 15,000 crores, there was a 25-fold increase in COVID dedicated hospitals. We also set up 7,929 COVID health centers, 9,954 COVID care centers, and an increase in oxygen-supported beds by 7.5 times also was facilitated with the 15,000.